Okay, I'm making a short video to show you how to access the film rights that we've purchased for Disney films and a lot of other big movie house films to show either at school or at home. And what you do to find the website and get the films is you go to your search engine and you type in Criterion on Demand up here. And when it comes up, we want to choose Criterion on Demand Canada. Okay, and when the website comes up, if you're at school, it's going to recognize your IP address or your Wi-Fi, and you're not going to need to have to log in. But if you're at home doing this, you're going to have to log in. So you're going to be clicking on the login screen here. And then you got to click again here where it says log in here. Okay, and either your teacher librarian or the district Learning Commons will give you the client number and password. So you type in your client number and your password, and you can then go to the website to see what kind of movies you can get. So once you're logged in, you can it'll give you the search. So you can either search by title, or you can actually go into one of the topics here and look for what kind of movies that you would get. So here we're looking at, there's 770 movie suggestions that are available if you're looking just at comedies. And what I'm going to do is look for an Asterix movie. Movies come both in French and English, and on that first website you could see that you have to either have chosen French or English. So even prior to logging in on this website, before you log in, you should be choosing the French website if you're looking for movies that have spoken French or spoken French with subtitles, or you stay on this site if you want English movies with English speaking or English speaking with subtitles. So here I've typed in Asterix. It says there's 4 movies, and I get both the French and English movies. So I'd say I'm going to choose Asterix at the Olympic Games. So I'll click on that title, and it will bring up my options that I have to look at the movie. So I've chosen at this point the English one, and you can either stream the video or you can download it directly. And I'm going to tell you that streaming is an option. The problem with streaming is it takes about 30% of our bandwidth on our internet at school. And so that if there's anyone else working on the computers at school, say a class goes into the computer room and starts downloading and doing Google searching, your movie's going to be stopping and starting. So what the district librarians are recommending is to download the movie. So download it ahead of time and then access it, and it'll will run easily for you. So let's choose English audio download, and you'll see what the screen comes up. Downloading you definitely have to do early, because with my high-speed internet at home, it's going to take me a good 4 hours to download this movie. So you want to download it if you're at home, you can do it in the evening, download it onto a USB drive. So your USB drive, you should have at least 5 GB storage, because with the images, it takes a lot of space. And the other thing you need to do on the computer that you're going to play it is you're going to have to install the Criterion Microsoft Silverlight player here. So you need to install this, and then you want to click on download, and it will start downloading the file. And as you can see, I've got it. So you can see that I want to save this, and I'm up at 8 hours here to actually get this video downloaded. So I'll be able to take my stick out tomorrow morning, and I'll take it to school, and I'll be able to show it. So what you want to do ahead of time, as I said, is make sure you have the Criterion Silverlight player downloaded, and then download the movie onto the stick. And assuming that we've already done this, I'll show you what the next step is. Okay, so I have actually a couple of movies downloading here, but we'll start like we're starting up in the morning. So I'll close all of these down, and I'll close these down. We'll close all the tabs. And you'll notice that if I look in my downloads, you'll see that I already have the Tintin is downloading, but I have Asterix at the Olympics already downloaded that I did a while ago, okay? If you click on this, it's not going to just open up. It's going to tell you that you haven't got the key and that it's not going to work. So to show the movie, you actually have to go back onto the website again. So we'll go back to the internet, we'll open up Criterion On Demand again, especially if it's longer than 48 hours. We're going to have to log in again because I'm at home. And the other thing you want to do then is open up the Silverlight player. So I want to be looking for the Criterion Silverlight player. And don't just look up Silverlight because you'll get Microsoft Silverlight and it won't be the movie thing, the movie player. So we're logged in again. We on the website if you're at home. If you're at work, it'll recognize your IP address, but you do need to go back to the Criterion website to have it open. And then once you open up the player, down here on the bottom right corner, there's a little arrow, and you can use that to find a local file. So I can open up my Asterix file now, and it will play on my play for my class. And because you've downloaded it, it's not going to be glitchy. And as you can see, it's a couple hours, this movie, and we just have to start it up here, and then we will get to see the movie. And that's how simple it is. But we just have that second step of reopening up the Criterion On Demand website to actually unlock the licensing so that you can see it. So hopefully this will help you figure out how to get movies to play at school without having them stop too often because you're doing streaming.